a great choice today with the 2020 Ford Ranger. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks, MP3 player, power windows, trip computer, bucket seats, passenger airbag, child safety locks, rear head airbag, brake assist. Your new ride is just a phone call away.